Whew. Up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can tell, we're on a Surron. It's not mine, it's Jordan's actually. He's out there on the track, he's just letting me ride it. Came all the way out here, put my knee braces on, and I was not able to ride because the knee brace cap thing, like the little cover that goes over your knee, it's pressing on my kneecap every time I sit down, so I'm just not gonna ride today. I need to wait till I get my stitches out, but I'm gonna cruise around on this Surron. Hopefully not do no damage to it. It feels sick though. I don't really want to get too much air on it. But for what it is, it feels solid. It's got plenty of torque. It's not stock. I know it's got a sprocket on it. And maybe one or two other things. I'll ask him when I see him. But it's for sure got a sprocket. He said he's got all the poor man 72 volt mods. So it's got some torque. I've only rode one other one, and I had to like yank it to get it to pop a wheelie. This one you just kind of full throttle on it. It does its thing. Bob. What's done to this thing?
Sprocket for power.
It feels good.
Yeah. I mean, I set up the suspension the way it should be.
What do you mean, like the clickers and stuff?
Yeah, just pressure, clickers. Fucking with the air valve. People usually don't do it.
It's air?
Huh?
It's air?
Yeah.
Air shock?
Yeah.
Phew, she picks up too. I don't even know how to explain it because it's like a pit bike, but it's not like a pit bike. It's like a mountain bike, honestly. That's more what it's like. A mountain bike with all kinds of power. Oh, I bet my butt looks like I pooped myself right now. She hits good coming out of the corners. Yup. Yep. Woo. All right, we're gonna redo that. Try to redeem ourselves. Mop. All right, that one felt much better. Ooh, it's hard for me to sit down and bend my knee still. That's part of the reason I'm not riding today. Ow! Oh, we about tucked the front end on her. Woo! Dude, gotta grab a handful of the front brake. I like this. Ooh. We cased the crap out of her. Dude, this thing is legit.
It's so fun, ain't it?
Thank you for letting me ride it though. That thing is sick.
Oh, yeah.
Here, slap this GoPro on.
Can you give me that? Oh, I got it.
Run up on them. But yeah, I don't know where I left off. That's all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.